Welcome to the future of baking, where you're the chef, the artist, and let's be honest, probably the one sneaking bites of cookie dough when no one's looking. We're thrilled to introduce you to Do It Yourself, the first self-baking studio in Quezon Province.
This isn't just a kitchen, it's your creative playground.
Whether you're here to whip up the perfect pastry, try your hand at making some bread, or simply satisfy a lifelong dream wearing a baker's hat, where every recipe becomes an adventure.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sheloan Almoriego, the Executive Manager of Do It Yourself. To start, let me introduce you to our business, the Do It Yourself or DIY Self-Baking Studio, where we're mixing moments and baking memories. So for our business description, Do It Yourself is a self-baking studio that offers a unique experience for people who want to bake but lack of ingredients or equipment. The studio provides a fully equipped venue with high-quality baking materials, perfect for beginners and experienced bakers alike. It is an ideal place for learning or simply for entertainment. Whether it's bonding for family, friends, or a romantic partner, Do-It-Yourself is the perfect spot for a fun and unique experience. So, dito sa Do-It-Yourself, alam kasi namin na not everyone has the tools or ingredients to bake at home. That's why we provide a space with everything you need to bake, no hassle, no mess. Whether you want to learn something new or just have fun, our studio is here to make baking easy and enjoyable for everyone. Our business name is Do It Yourself. We came up with the name Do It Yourself to emphasize the interactive and creative nature of our self-baking studio. It's a playful twist on Do It Yourself, reflecting the hands-on experience customer will enjoy as they craft their own baked goods. The name perfectly conveys the essence of fun, creativity, and personalization that our brand stands for. So next is for our logo. The Do-It-Yourself logo features a charming cake design with a smooth glaze and a playful leaf on top, symbolizing creativity and attention to detail in baking. The soft pink background, as you can see here, adds a welcoming and cheerful vibe, while the combination of handwritten and serif fonts gives it a balance of personality and professionalism. This design beautifully reflects the fun and personalized baking experience that service promises. So for our company vision, Do It Yourself aims to make baking a fun interactive activity that everyone can enjoy. We want to offer people of all skill levels the chance to easily create fresh, homemade cupcakes, cakes, cookies, and more by providing high-quality pre-measured ingredients and simple instructions. Our service is designed to make baking feel easy and enjoyable so customers can experiment and express themselves without any pressure. We aim to spark creativity and excitement in the kitchen, allowing customers to fully enjoy the experience of making their favorite treats. With every treat baked, we hope to inspire a sense of pride and connection, bringing people together through the joy of sharing homemade treats and experiences. So, for our company mission naman, our mission is to make baking accessible, enjoyable, and creative for everyone by providing high-quality ingredients, user-friendly instruction, and a welcoming space for self-expression. We strive to empower individuals of all skill levels to create delicious homemade treats, foster meaningful connection, and celebrate the joy of baking together.
Do it yourself policy. We have 6 policies here in our shop. First and the most important is hygiene and safety. You need to wash your hands before handling ingredients. Children under 12 years old must have adult supervision. Disclose allergies before participating. Next is the equipment and ingredients. You need to handle equipment carefully. And if you damage items, it incur fees. Use only provided or approved ingredients. The third one is code of conduct. Be respectful to everyone. Clean your workspace after use. The next one is liability. Do it yourself is not liable for injuries from misuse. Supervise children at all times. Privacy. Customer data is used for shop communication only. The last policy of our shop is intellectual property. Recipes and designs cannot be copied or resold.
What Do It Yourself offers. Do It Yourself offers a venue to provide a unique experience, a bonding place, and a baking for all ages. Do It Yourself is a unique experience as we are one of the first few businesses that are available in the country that offers a baking venue for low price. A bonding place for everyone, no matter the gender. It can be with friends, couples, and even family, o kahit solo ka lang. A baking workshop, perfect para makapag-explore sa pagbe-bake. Malay mo, may talent ka pala dito. Ito ay makakatulong para sa mga gustong sumubong mag-bake pero hindi afford ang ibang equipment tulad ng oven. Maproprovide din namin ang mga services na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagproprovide ng kompletong gamit at ingredients sa pagbe-bake sa kung ano man ang naisin na i-bake katulad ng cake at brownies. Meron ring corner sa do-it-yourself na nag-o-offer ng mga foods and drinks like pasta, beverages, rice meals and snacks para sa mga naghihintay matapos ng kanilang baking or after nilang mag-bake. Siyempre, pwede rin ito sa mga hindi client sa baking area.
Why we choose do-it-yourself? So we choose do-it-yourself as a business because after a detailed discussion with my teammates on what business to venture, we come up with a self-baking studio as our business. So because after researching, there are only a few businesses that offers a studio where people can bake for themselves. And isa pa, wala pang self-baking studio here sa Quezon. And the customers ourselves, hinahanap rin namin sa business yung nagpapakita or pinapalabas yung creativity namin and at the same time ay nakakapag-enjoy kami sa ginagawa namin. Since ang service namin is about baking, yung may bibake mo is pwede mong iuwi and kainin. Nakakapag-explore ka na ng hobby, may take out ka pa. So next naman is yung management team. So ipapakilala ko sa inyo yung bumubuo sa Do It Yourself. So first, si Ms. Shalo Almariego as an executive manager kung saan siya yung namamahala sa strategic planning and leadership. Siya yung nagmamanage ng daily operations and she ensures that everything was running smoothly. And next naman is si Ms. Mig De Los Santos as a financial manager and baking instructor. Siya naman yung bahala sa budgeting and financial report ng business namin. Siya yung nagmamanage ng budgets, monitor expenses, and prepares financial reports to support effective decision making. As a baking instructor, Ms. Mig De Los Santos, ginaguide niya yung mga customers through the baking process, ensuring that they learn the necessary techniques and skills to create delicious treats. And ako naman, si Lady Lynn Ballesteros as the Human Resource Manager and Front Desk Staff. Ako naman yung nagmamanage ng recruitment and training staff. I'm the one who's in charge sa recruiting, training, and supporting staff. And as a front desk, I greet the customer, manages booking, and answers the questions of the customers. And last naman is si Ms. Yumi Bianca Manalastas as Operations Manager and Marketing and Sales Manager na nagmamanage naman ng inventory and maintenance and sales and promotions. Ini-ensure niya na efficient yung production, maintains quality standards, and streamlining process. She also develops strategies to attract customers and boost sales.
The financial plan of Do-It-Yourself. Our startup will be funded through a bank loan. To make the Do-It-Yourself possible, kailangan namin ng 1 million pesos. The breakdown for the 1 million pesos would be the equipment, 500,000 pesos, ingredients, 200,000 pesos, utilities, 20,000 pesos, rent, 40,000 pesos, cleaning and maintenance, 5,000 pesos, for marketing, 50,000 pesos, and miscellaneous, 10,000 pesos. A total of 825,000. The remaining 175,000 will be put in as a cash on hand. Payment plan for the loan. Do-It-Yourself expects the business to earn at least 100,000 pesos for the first month of its opening. We plan to pay 27,500 pesos both for the principal and interest loan para mabayaran ng 1 million pesos na utang sa bank within 3 years.
So how Do-It-Yourself plan to be known? So we have 3 marketing strategy. First is the social media, in-store display, and promotion and offer. So in social media, we have Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. You can see the service highlights, and we will be posting some reels and details of our shop. Also, we will be posting some baking tips and special offers. And in-store display. We use this to attract customers to our shop and encourage them to try our DIY baking, and makikita ito sa labas ng aming shop and sa front desk para makita ng bawat tao na nadaan sa aming shop. Next one is promotion and offer. Our promotion are temporary offers or campaigns that aim to boost sales. So kailangan naka-follow kayo and naka-like sa aming social media accounts para maging updated sa bawat offer naming nilalabas.
Next naman po is location. So, after conducting a survey throughout Lucena, we've come up with a decision na sa Mabini Corner, Pleasantville Subdivision, Barangay Ilayang Iyam, Lucena namin itatayo yung business. Because this specific area was like commercial area. So, madalas itong pinupuntahan ng mga tao, especially yung mga millennials to Gen Z. And sa area na to, maraming coffee shops and salons kung saan pinupuntahan na talaga ng mga tao. So, it would be beneficial for our business.
Join us in bringing Do-It-Yourself to life, a place where we're not just mixing ingredients, but mixing moments and baking memories.